More than 220 million wireless devices will cease communicating when every major U.S. carrier stops supporting 2G and 3G cellular networks. The sunsetting of 2G and 3G does not only affect smartphones and other devices. Solar systems, CDMA modems, and revenue-grade meters communicate critical performance data needed for solar renewable energy credit and performance monetization and tracking. Older modems and meters still contain legacy 2G and 3G cellular technologies that soon will no longer be supported. If not upgraded to newer 4G or 5G supported networks, solar system monitoring will be lost and cash flows interrupted. 365 Pronto offers tested, scaled, and nationwide custom solutions for modem and RGM replacements, integrated procurement and logistics solutions for new RGMs and CDMA modems, on-site and over-the-air firmware updates. Where required, compliant environmental disposal of replaced equipment, and 365 Pronto supports a universal 5-year workmanship and maintenance warranty. Our guaranteed pricing, national distributed workforce of service providers, and ready-made platform can help you get ahead of the cellular sunset today. Covering all 50 states and Puerto Rico, 365 Pronto is your modem replacement go-to partner. Visit us today at 365pronto.com to get ahead of the 3G sunset.